Hello, my name is Jacqueline LaFlamme. I'm a professional artist with JacquelineLaFlamme.com. In this clip, I'm going to show you how to draw a rabbit step by step. You'll need a sketchbook. You'll need some black markers to draw with. When drawing a rabbit, we're going to start off with the basic shape. So if you think of a rabbit's head, it's kind of a little bit like an egg shape. Then we'll come down and we'll draw the chest. And we'll just come down and do a simple line for the front paw. And we'll come down and just draw the back of the body, and it comes around kind of like in a nice little circle. And if you think of the bunny's back legs, we can start off and kind of do like another like rounded shape and come down, and then we'll get in that big huge back bunny paw. Kind of comes up like this. Then you can just put in a simple line here, and then one line that follows this first line for the other front paw. And of course, bunnies have big ears, so we're going to exaggerate these big bunny ears. Just like that. Then they kind of have a little eye, just like this. It's not necessarily round. They're just like this, and we'll just do another little circle. And we'll put in a little line here for the nose and a little mouth. And then we'll draw in some whiskers. And finally, we'll draw in the little puffy tail. And there you have a rabbit with a few simple shapes. This has been Jacqueline LaFlamme. Thank you for watching.